Want to make your Facebook post stand out by adding some bold text? Well, you're in luck because today I'm going to show you how to do it. First off, you might be wondering why you should use bold text on your Facebook post. Bold text is a great way to emphasize certain words or phrases, make your post more eye catching, or simply highlighting something important in a longer post. Now, here's the catch: Facebook doesn't have a built in feature for bold text directly in the post editor, but you can still bold the text using Unicode text generators. These are online tools that can convert your regular text into bold style characters. Open your browser and go to Unicode text generator. Simply choose one of it. Now let's type hello Facebook. Now let's choose the bold one, or you can also choose whichever you prefer. I'm going to be choosing the bold one. I've copied it. Now let's go to facebook.com. Now on what's on your mind, I'm going to be simply pasting the text. As you can see, it has been bold. Simply click on post, and there you have it. You can now post bold text on Facebook.